Hi everyone, I hope you're all really well. In this video, I'm just going to talk to you about the brand new innovation from Olay, which is Olay Whips. I've got this one here, the Regenerist one. It's basically got all the powerful anti-aging ingredients and moisturising benefits of the original Olay Regenerist moisturising cream. The Whips version is light as air. It basically feels like liquid on your skin, then dries to almost an indetectable finish, but still delivers potent, powerful anti-aging ingredients. So if you've ever found that some moisturisers are just too heavy to sit under makeup and you always find that you need to use a primer, this is going to be amazing because it acts like a primer for your skin, yet does a super job of moisturising and also delivering serious anti-aging benefits, all the benefits that the original Regenerist formula delivers. In this video, I'm just going to show you how it works, what it looks like, and the difference on your skin and how it actually enhances the performance of makeup. Keep watching. So this is the Whips product. Super light and fluffy. So I'm just going to pop this on this side. It literally kind of turns to liquid straight away on the skin and then kind of vanishes. Well, your skin feels moisturised, but there's no tackiness or greasiness. Same amount. That's that. I don't know if at this point you can see the difference in my skin, but I think you'll be able to see once I put makeup on. And what I find is that the performance of the foundation is really enhanced and it actually looks more flawless and kind of offers a little bit more coverage without having to use any more product. So basically like what a good primer does, but still with all the powerful moisturising anti-aging ingredients. So what I can see is that the whipped side looks more flawless, even. I can see less of my pores, less of my pigmentation. One thing I wanted to tell you about the new formula is that it has a new technology called active rush technology. Basically there's a starch polymer in there which is more effective than the ingredient that we all love as skincare junkies, which is hyaluronic acid. So this starch polymer holds 1,000 times its weight in water, as does hyaluronic acid, except this one also manages to deliver all the active ingredients as well. So it's a fluffy formula. You apply it to your skin, it turns to water, delivers all the moisturisation, all the hydration to your skin, and all the actives that you need for the anti-aging benefit. Please do let me know if you have any questions. You can leave them in the comments below or tweet me at ReallyRe or message me on Instagram. That's also at ReallyRe. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.